Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Hancock County, northeastern Marion County, southeastern Hamilton County until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Carmel, 47 miles north of Indianapolis, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Warren Park and Geist Reservoir around 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Lawrence and McCormick around 6:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Cumberland around 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include New Palestine and Spring Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 between mile markers 200 and 208. Interstate 70 between mile markers 87 and 101. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hamilton, Hancock, and Marion.